Hey guys, Justin Johnson, MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I bring you on a Cruisers 46 Cantius. We are going to start off here at the bow. We have beautiful seating for you and your family with a teak table, also access to our windlass and our spotlight, but we're going to go ahead and move on to the good stuff on the inside. On board the Cruisers 46 Cantius on the swim platform, this is submersible, and as it goes down it will create steps, 4 steps to get into the cockpit of the boat to make it easy for you and your guests. We're going to mention this a lot on this boat, but there is a ton of storage, including back here on the swim platform. You have an area for all your fenders, some coolers, anything you can think of is going to fit in that section. We do have the grill, and then working our way into the boat in one of our entertainment areas, we have comfortable seating for 7, a teak table for you and your guests' drinks and food, a refrigerator, freezer, and also another refrigerator on the starboard side with an area for our trash can. Not to mention the boat does have a sunshade built into the hard top. So when you and your guests are sitting out here on a hot sunny day, this will come out and protect everybody from the elements. Let's go ahead and work our way into the cabin of the boat. On board of the Cruisers 46, we're going to enter one of our other entertainment zones. We do have almost a full-size kitchen here. We have 2 burners, a full-size sink, a microwave, and fridge and freezer over here on the starboard side. And I'm going to note it once again, we're going to say it a bunch of times on the boat, there is a ton of storage. Storage everywhere. So for you, your guests, everybody has a spot for all their stuff. And then let's go ahead and work our way in here. Again, comfortable seating for 5 or 6 people. This table does fold inward if it's just you and a couple guests to make a little more space. More seating over here on the starboard side. Dual captain's chairs, so this is comfortable for 2 people. And what's great about the helm on the 46 Cantius, there's AC right here for your captain. Everything is within an arm's reach. So your joystick is over here, your binnacles, all of your switching, everything is at an arm's reach for your captain, so it's very easy to use. Now we're going to go ahead and work down and go into some of our staterooms. Working down into the cabins of this boat, very spacious yet again, plenty of headroom. On the starboard side of the boat, we do have our VIP access to the bathroom. This is not a wet head, this is fully separate. Again, plenty of storage, tons of space. And then in the VIP room, almost a queen size bed, port and starboard closets, access to the bathroom from within the stateroom. And then we do have a TV for you and your guests, of course. Tons of lighting, 2 windows, port and starboard. The boat is great. I mean, again, I'm 6'3". I have tons of space. I'm not ducking to get around everywhere. Just well laid out. Cruisers did a great job. But now we're going to go ahead and go into our main berth. Entering the master of our 46 Cantius. This is the bathroom that you'll see over here on the port side as you come in. Plenty of space. It is a separate head, so the shower is separate from the head. Tons of storage. And then we'll work our way into the actual cabin. In the master cabin of the boat, you're going to notice right away, we do have a queen size bed. Very large bed for this size boat, and still being able to have a lounger over here on the port side. I'm going to say it again, I've said it a ton. Massive amount of storage. Port side storage, underneath the bed storage, starboard side storage. Very well lit, a lot of natural light. And then we do have a washer dryer combo unit on this boat already equipped. Very nice feature. Something rare that you won't see on many boats in that 40-foot class. If you'd like to know more about this boat, again, we are on the Cruisers 46 Cantius at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. My name is Justin Johnson. Please come out and see us, and we'll see you on the water.